Butru Tembe, Dungo Yonsu Se Shing, Kong Nam Pama the Yam to Tuten to Nepal Chikuti.
I also have another dream that one day those children who have been drifting out in foreign lands, away from their parents, will return home, putting an end to an era of motherly longing, that all children can forever be together with their parents.
Ngala Tadu Milam Shiyu, Dini Namshik, Rawanki Pela Rutukuti.
I also have another dream that one day we will be free.
Number 2, Tanda Kong to Sembatini, Puki Sombo Droma Kablaki Semtam Shire. Dini Kong Kitina Be Lingja Maybe Himalaya Shebe Jesum Tine Sudun Shibishi. Rangi Maju Rawan Lalons Chebsamki, Kong Gamin Yantope, Chilung Yedonga Luna Zinsun Chete, Lochu the Cheke, Junjun Yecheta Yubra. Tade Cherkran Gami Zonga Nalagadu Yomu Yimbre. Tiring unto de Dunsum Chabatini, Ganaki Tano Walla Nedu, Conta Bu Punanki, Pemitsombo Botang, Yangakin, Sheba. Teshin Guzewa Yon the Chetu Tang, Con number Gonyo Lotu Chesa Masse. Nganso Mingorene, Punangi Puminamki Maju Rawan la Gabio Tsungu Che to Dunsum Nabashire. Tirinki Senso Tishin, Pug draw me top down Tamanzo Pegatine Kantang, Norway Pug Longting Kani, Tumon Goti Tang, Persian Dogat Sobe Gabio on the Sonabashire. Norway Longting Kaki, Dens Badri, Tangmal Samti the Del, Tirinki led him to Unsushui.
The above stanza is an excerpt from The Restless Himalayas by Domakab, who has been merely sentenced for expressing his thoughts in his books The Restless Himalayas, and he has been sentenced to 10.5 years in prison in March 2005. Tonight's concert highlights all those artists like him who have been merely sentenced for expressing their thoughts, writers, singers, intellectuals who have been sentenced for many years. And this awareness concert has been organized tonight by Tibetan Center for Human Rights and Democracy and Voice of Tibet, supported by the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts. I am Tenzin Jigdal.
Toma de la Punangi, Zadun Chetu, Ranso Tornie, Tade Zonga Nalagadu, Tseme Yon Shimbatang, Pumikeba Yong Chetu, Gamashikring, Che Yang Shugi.
First of all, in remembrance of all the Tibetan heroes who have sacrificed their lives, their thought for the Tibetan cause, we will have a minute of silence.
Something Purgi draw me top down to Matsupeke Dine Kangi Genzin Sirin Somolaki, Punangi, Pumikuzevanamki, Tade Netan Kola, Kamutsikashi Sonangre.
Now we would like to invite the Executive Director of Tibetan Center for Human Rights and Democracy, Ms. Tsering Somo, to speak on the state of Tibetan artists inside Tibet. Ms. Tsering Somo.
아니 캐나소기 데라 딱 망부직 미리 로가다 출루 로가다 치게기 미 망부직 데라 페샤 다 디게 창마디 능안저기 구디 속중외네 아니 벼 낭로라 다데 다 자다기 문에 다 셈교야기 니주차 데와데라 아니 미망 규만이 잠불린 가와 가사니 미리 간주먼지 인교기 미드저기 아니 갸교 할 레베기 슉체 체로 도베기 남바지랑 안중윈지 지기 예스단 슈에 다 다리 간저기 로얀 천조디 당보디 간저기 로얀 천조디 추에디 벼 낭로라 다 니동 게네 지금 다 봐도 갸나슝기 작년기 시주오라 아니 뱀이 망부지 아니 두스 다 강에 망부지 낭라냐 수대요래 아니 도미 톱단 독도 치세 믹세기 아니 마주 라완기 아니 소소기 세만날 삼주 두조게 삼주 소소소 삼야기 라완 디게 디마 셰초야기 라완 엔 다가나시 도미 톱단다 제와 요에기 니주 디게들라 아니 소소기 니주 딘조 하고시 투에기 딘조게 아니야 톱단 디게 톱단 링데 갸나슝게 아니 직다칼라 orkunjo기 작년 코라고 월라 아니 마주라고디 마제체 강에 망부지 쓰여더라 디 코라 상마치도 아니 간저기 다리 렌 천조디 코라 수치도 인스나 슈에 아니 데네 간저기 다리 디 렌 천조디 간저기 추네 디 추라 아니 간저기 다 단다 마주라고기 리귀디 차와 데네 개 말해 베베기 탑주디 미리 코라 도에기 탑주지 차대요 먼저 다리인데 천조지 추제 아니야 이 차교를 개 말아 다리 천조디 개 주모 가리 차고라나 당보디 간저기 아니 자물링기 미마라 tuy야체 베베기 아니 장대기 단다 간저기 탑제들라 갸교 미만나로라 아니 자물링 가와 가살라 갸교 여베기 남바디 간저 슉 쳔봉원이 tuy야기 디 로엔 천조디 간저 딩자치다 오지 아니 간저 왠지 치기 니와디 아니 단다 간저기 배 낭로라 다 단다 갸나 슝기 시주 nen주 망부지 기다 락다 치디어레 디게 데라 아니 간저기 치게기 다 뷰리 카다 아니 다가나시 냠제기 조기 소주운기 아니 다 간제 다 디갈 차례 낭예기 디게 정말랑 간저기 믹세기 니슈 피와 주부 멤버체 니슈 피네 디슈라 다와네 간저기 엔지 디갈라 가리차요 레슬네 혼줄라 디와 다야체 간제 디 간저 레규디 무트네 지야기 아니 레규지 자기 여스난 슈에 엔 디네 아니 땅 간저 다리 ngaransuda bebeki nanglolta mangchejigi phe nanglolata nedang khari badi mangbuji ha khodere en dine ngajogi ta dela chige da ta khanje ta gyaga gi mi mangbuji dela pheyore en khunjo gi yanchi kendo chudo ani ngegi inju thone ni chi gasheji shuchogbaji is. Dear friends, first of all, on behalf of Tibetan Center for Human Rights and Democracy, Voice of Tibet, and the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts, I would like to thank you for coming here tonight to the concert. We see this huge bursting crowd as a testimony to the growing support and solidarity among the civil society for the cause of Tibet. We commend you for your courage to speak out and to hold the Chinese government accountable for its crimes against humanity and other human rights abuses, particularly the freedom of opinion, expression, and information. We dedicate tonight's concert to all the unknown and known number of Tibetans who have been arrested, tortured, disappeared, and unlawfully sentenced for exercising their right to freedom of opinion, expression, and information. With this concert, we are formally launching the campaign for freedom of expression in Tibet. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which was adopted 65 years ago today, recognizes the right to freedom of expression and the right to receive and impart information. Freedom of expression is a fundamental human right and necessary for a life of dignity. Suppressing the freedom of expression is not only an attack against the individual who is imprisoned, it is also an attack against reason itself. The suppression of freedom of expression promotes lies and undermines truth. When censors determine what can be said, they limit knowledge and make all speech suspect. When people are allowed to speak, think, and write freely, they impart knowledge, and knowledge cannot defile. Heinrich Heine recognized almost 200 years ago that those who begin by burning books would end by burning bodies. Today, Tibet is burning. Self-immolation is just one of that many tragic results of the total lockdown of free speech in Tibet. Moreover, over 100 Tibetan writers, poets, artists, and intellectuals have been imprisoned and tortured in Tibet. Books, magazines, websites are constantly monitored and suppressed by the government censors watching Tibet. As we observe the International Human Rights Day today and enjoy music from Parikrama and other Tibetan artists, we must also remember to stand up and speak, both now and in future, for the victims and those who cannot speak for themselves. Thank you so much.
Tiringi censo di Toma de la, Peshun Doga Sobe Ngone, Pela Lotro Shebe, Lucia Xingye Bushunangre, Pela Lotro Shebatini, Pechina Niki, Pumi Yongi Ngundutar, Shije Puminyamzom Ki Dumbango Beche Lambshire.
So the first performance we have for tonight's concert is by Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts titled Let's Return to Tibet. And this is the aspiration of all the Tibetans in exile and inside Tibet. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Let's Return to Tibet by Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts.
도체나
Zamli yong da ku chere si ma gyur do tempe kyam gu yi khonsa kyam gu kya tenzi kya zo khen ku si thilo tempe melam shu pyo na la chilo nge dong gu lo ne son ta par pyo mi kyen kya da ngi shu cha som gi rang lu merse tan te rangi ki che be lu so lo don na te pyo gi za dun che lo don na yo bre pyo mi te da gi bu chi zo chi ni jinor khonsa kyam gu chi mu cho ku si thilo tempe tang gomba khangi pyo la gyo nyur chip gyu nang go ba de cha yu sham tu pyo shun to ga chok be she ma dawa phuti la ki ku chi tem ba she kyang she shi bilam shu nang re lu she ti ni pyo nang gi she ma nam ge chozu la gi ta na ba shi re.
Till date, since 2009, 123 Tibetans have self-immolated for the Tibetan cause, specifically calling for the return of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So from Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts, we have Dawa Butila, who will be performing a rendition of the original song titled Long Live Your Holiness by Namgyal Choso in Tibet. Ladies and gentlemen, Dawa Butila from Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts.
Tochena Dawa Butila Chumita ge tsomti ba gobe sang kuncho tsebe la chilo nye dong gu jinda chukchi be tse chungyi ngin jinsun che yubri. Kong ki na nye ni chöme tage to gyana ki langcho da midun be zom yi tang bari gwendem cheba ma se. Chilo nye dong gu lo shi go che myo kab ki dabar ka chi gyan lo le tang par che na la tuyen bati cha du. Na nye di genbe gyana shungi kong la milo chunge zunchu timche tang yubri. Sham tu kuncho tsebe la ki bunche buda kyab la ki zunga na la longwe kuncho la ki che zum na be kuncho la ki che tu che zum na be nyenga shik nyenju shugu nyenga nyenju shugen changsa tawe zum ti ba nyenga ba ari gume la re.
Kuncho Sebe Gobesang, founder of Chöme website, he has been sentenced to 15 years in 2009 simply for expressing the thought of the Tibetan people inside Tibet by different artists in his website. So we have a poem dedicated to him by his younger brother, Buddha Kyab, which will be recited by Ari Gyume, who is also a poet and a writer. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ari Gyumela.
파마당 멍성초 잠비 오동와 지사 시글란 로르구든 파마당 멍성초 삼니 염버니 계랑다르다 종마당 워츠그 동위 심지 잔사 시글란 로르구든 종마당 워츠 삼니 염버니 계랑다르다 Tuktung nardan rukpi, damba safsa shiglan dorkutun, tuktung narda samni yemberni. Kerang dar, arangwang tang avdimban jopi, hongtsukji lukla hongtun, arangwang tang avdimba samni yemberni. Kerang dar. Shabdi tang janyam maybe, Chamanji Shang Kim Jam Dun. Shabdi tang janyam sani yemperni. Kerang dar. Woma tang wotan kalangan, Narjul nyungsa shiglan dorkutun. Woma tang wultun sani yemperni. Dorna kerang dar, mulu jongi chang thaki jikti, arangnya tang chi sem thak nyewi marnam tak, chi khatak arang sa shignin dugurgutun, wul miwu zabjil songchil ta yemparni, arangwang tang avdintun stochil ta yemparni, shabdi tang janyam thorchil ta yemparni. Dadaka cheta, taward, mo, ulmi wikim dani, mo sig zilson, mo sig tanto zilson wir kanglum tete, mo sig rotem yola. Dadak samsin, pamatang mangsang mo sig. Mixture zonga chamur diyo, chongma tang wurtu mo shik, semba dong wi zuki nar yo, chogtang narda mo shik, joa shokji halongur per yo. Arigji tang kangru kalangkan mo shiki. Arangwang tang avdintun stolkan mo shiki. Shabdi tang janyam samkan mo shiki. Kyorang tsu jankin yo. Halangka yo. Zika yo. Semki khtakni. Rui khsangni. Semki khtakni. Rui khsangni. Tujichi.
Tuchena argumela konda sembateni gyana ki zonga na lo milo chönge zunchu timje nyon shimbe koncho tsebe la ki kumche boda kyab la ki tina be nyenga kerang shebatre Tiring a zoo ding je di tola, Ninga de Tina Gin, Buddha Kabla pay your Kona, ding je tola, ding shuyin, Kona the Yam Dole Mukashi Shuyin.
Thank you, Ori Gumela. The poem that was recited early by Ori Gumela has been written by Kunjo Tsebela's younger brother, Buddha Kyabla, who's here with us today. So I request Buddha Kyabla to please come on the stage and we'll have a small interview.
Buddha Kyabla de Peva Sam Shuyin. Buddha Kyabla Tiring and Zoo, Senso di Tola, Mima Manguch Pesha, and Tanda Kirangi, Nyanga Tina Bading and so Mimagadula, Ori Gumelagi, Tandarang Nason. Buddha Kyabla can share the Tanda Kirangi, Nyanga di Tigubegi, Kulonta. So, Gumse, so the Karichagunas Chinika Shuyin.
Toma de Samala Samdu Tesh Delisha down. Ani Tangi Tua Derida, Nyanga de Tiguagi, Jimson Zu, the Gunhon de Kanajika County Tree in Siadero. The Chitanga Mi Sunda Chigana, Susu Sorwa de Machiloa Toya de Ketchagalam Nichik Tongri. Royangalamni chik tongri, Nyanga galamni tongri, Dinri Tondang Mambujiori, Inali Narangi Muni, Susugi, Simgi, Tsora substitute, Nyanga Ganani Machia de Pa Tsora substitute Tetabachila Gunzin Chigio, and Tenichik Ganingi, dus Simsurtang Dani, any Nyanga de dus team be curida.
So first of all, the question was, why did you write this poem? And Buddha Kyabla expressed his heartfelt greetings to all of you present here today. And he expressed that as a human being, there are various forms you can express your feelings. It could be in writing, it could be in songs, it could be, speaking one-to-one, and also it could be through poem. But what I felt was that I could express my feeling in the best form through poems. That's how I decided to express it in poem.
Tochana Buddha Kyabla, Dine Niwadela, this country shui, Tatanda Buddha Kyabla cannot tanda Zenju Nalola Shushin, but and Kirangi Kumche Tadecha, Tatsonga Nalola, Longochungi, Zunju Timche Yonshibre, Buddha Kyabla, Kira Yibinere, Danashi, Kirangi, Namitsu, Kunjo Sebela, the Lendo, Deva Tamadi, Kaduchon Yuna, Deva Chung Tubuna, this country shui.
Ta ngi nangmi tang nyam to ma dewa chia de dusre ni tong je tang gu gi nang ngi thorum lapta demya ge lo thama de khion di kapsu dewa thama de chong yore ti jini ni tong gu gi chida ni wi nang la ni jin song chire jin song chiwi ra ba dini ni song de ani khare cha ge yore sna nangmi gi ta dewa ma chi na yak bu du phas ring la ni nga chun nang la Tamdak Shuji Chig do the police town that the Mambochi Lepchi. And those chini dawa took Dunchilani, Dewachi Chonyo Mare. Dawa took Dunchik Giniani, Dewachi Chongarin, Dewadi Chondi Kapsoni, Lo Jongagi, Timche Shasiag, Nitsa Dematosuchuriani, Pa Duschini Karsore, Jurum Kandas Doni Cherries yet on the Niga Ganaki in Mexico, maybe Nitanchika Ganani, Dindiga Nitsa Tapju Chikoyadi, Dusrambachi Chayo.
So the second question was, Buddha Kyabla, he's here with us now in exile. And the question was, when did you have the last contact with your family and your brother? And he recalls that it was around 2008 and 2009 when he was about to finish his studies. That's when he had the contact. But it was in 2009, around February, that he had the last contact. And for around 6 months after that, he never had any contact. After 6 months, then he heard from his family that his brother, Kunjo Sebela, has been sentenced to 6 years for merely expressing his thought. So what he still, or his family doesn't understand is, why has he been sentenced for 15 years for simply expressing his thought?
Computer gyuche, lole gyuche, tegar gengsin shuguyore, ani nganzu tanda de lerim chazan tegar gengsin shuye, tungyu nangye di tanda pyushung chiri legung ki tanya tsembe ki tungyu nanguyore, dagana shi tiringi lerim di tola, ani tungyu nangye chik di, ani novel yobe, Frit Oat tsopa di chaguyore.
So tonight's awareness concert is being live broadcasted on YouTube by Tibet Online TV, and also this concert is supported by a sponsor from Norway called Frit Art.
참되네 나부스요 군도도 전주 난기 뱀이 쉐바 용기 고첩 촌내슈네 지금도 표시도가 초배 총미수바 지중라데 슈이 샤술 다시 둔조밤 지중라 표시도가 초배 나로라 롱어 칩든 잠쇼바타 디네 디제 아리라 시베나데 타데차 캘리포니아 나라 내슈나 시버제 쿠란기 타파 잠닝기 사초 칸설 체베나데 표기 투모마이 베시나 탑드나 바마세 탄다바도 게고 네마시 된베나 요브제 티존라기 드링기 찬소디 토마데라 니시웨 칸센 셰베 루셰식 나부솔랭 엔디슈나그제
The next performance we have is by Cholate Chungla, who have been serving for 17 years at the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts, after which he moved to US and he's currently based in California. He's also the co-founder of Chaksampa Troupe, where he has given numerous performances around the world. So the first song we have is the Peaceful Snow Line by Cholate Chungla. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Cholate Chungla.
토체나 디슐라 탄다 디슐라기 셰니바디 타기 디슐라 송바나시 베지나로 네슈 벽이 좀바보 어셀라기 지비슈스레 아니 어셀라 그란다 위이나 탄다 베지나로라 체 탐다가네다 원네바타 아니 Korangi tepta ani tagya mangushi yone kadom che yobre ine Koran da nyamdo ta ngebe thone en chale nangke tanda ritu sazang shebe chane jiore ritu sazang shebe chane di nalo la wese la gi zomye re da na shi pyo nalo la tanda sheba mangbuchi gi da pyo gi ge shen de be luya mangbushi ta be ge gi ge mi zonga nalo la chubu chu she mangbushi inji nalo la phapyo na che ni ge ji ding je de la ni Koran gi nam pe yore shamla ani ritu sazang ki ani somri ba teje pembala ki talen tundu chi ngiti gyuche namba chol chi bishu ye
ani ritu sazang na nganzu legade zo didire phena ne zom da she da nyenga de injina gyoya and tan de legati gotsune lo shingas dugyore ani three mixing ye get share di phena de neda be masi de kange chimbu ye chamlo kingyore ani mixe tande phena phaba the phena such nyungishta yene roba so samje de ya such the nyung duge out in this yene phena phaba haleatic hangsayatic phena ne nyenga da zom da shed de nyungchi yomar mang dugyore ani this is nganze tagina the phena bebeke samji career tinza zomna lo tugre shena the nyen tugre ni tinza shush zachimbuda jege tinza bemasi getchimbure kaisana phena sagopa chige sagopa yomare sangyu da nezu phena ne sangyu da nezu ra bemasi khapure tichene tagina career tinza troya da yautin daya getchimbustare baba kaze mango da shetan da nyangatin da zomtin kaze mango juyeb de da zongana juyeb tinza thona che bemasi getchimbure ani kapta che getchimbure ani nge zoshya da tagrani
dine di chela pyo la chung bata che su chi lu nye do nga lu na la kya ga kyap chö la phe be pyo mi sheba jamyan te shila ki pyo gi sheba shema nam la dong sing nyam ge da del kon number che de le she kha ni na ba zu de do che bi shu na gre.
Okay, so the next performance we have is by Jan Teshla, who is the upcoming most prominent Tibetan young artist from the exile community. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Jan Teshla.
La carcho
la chono ye chong ye tom dare tujina 아니 tandangi amdo donglin tae de game pangu lage de donglin chigi soyala solaye soye ye ya la so rak la kari ni cho so ya la soye la ila pha la yin song so ya la soye so ya la soye ye ya la so thang me la dan te ji so ya la so ye ai la pha che ma yen song so ya la so ye ai la pha che ma yen song so ya la so ye
Norway pöge lungti kanti shinchilo chikton kopya gopchi gochu chinda ngabe ce 70年5年是这个龙天看个年代龙天他差价松卡这个句pö zubur gyube china pöme namla gyage da pöge jege nang tu yu kam shibju shenge lungtin glerim shigengsin shu shibi gyaga nalanga zu lungtin gengsin shu se anta ni shortwave ki meter band chukutang wetse anda junga tsanga lego ne junga tsa tu lego war yu nganzu longting ki tusu ni gyaga ki gongzhu cha zu chuba ne geba pari yin nganzu longting ki lerim la gongja ri kari yu kyang nganzu longting kaja editor@vot.org tang info@vot.org to devanaro na nganzu kaba anda ni lego gu jik ge gu ni sum ge shi ta ni chu shi du jik ta nganzu tane kaja ni www.vot.org yin
내가 룽티 강내 간주 벽에당 야게 니기 표된 코나드레베 니 선교기 레림카 딩듀기 락도 가발 아이폰 당 안드로이드 대신 아이패드 속규 태가르 신규 와이스 티베 시베 답디 년제식 사수시유 케시 키라리아 구슈다가 신기 아이폰 락도 가발 유베이나 동말 키랑기 애플 앱스토어 애플 말라 년제 추십디 같이 난거 디네 키랑기 추십 돌렘베이나 가장 디세 파르동시 리브레 가장 디세 파르동 디나라야 와이스 티베시 장난고 디네 키랑기 인스톨 땡나 죽디 렘난디 년제디 가바나 능주난고 능주나웨 년제디 오픈 칸라 죽디 렘디 년제디 가지고 디네 키랑기 락도 가바 땡라야 만주 벽에다 야게니기 선규 리림 선규 년제디 셔그레 키랑기 벽에 돌아 죽디 렘나 보이나 벽에긴 일이 선규 리림카 센토바탕
디 노웨이 벽에 룽팅 카이 시제 페미용키 라나 메베우티
양 키랑기 야게 돌아 죽디 렘나 보이나 야게긴 일이 선규 리림카 센토부여
这里是挪威西藏之声广播电台华语节目，听众朋友，你们好。
KC 키랑리아 Android 락도 카바르 유베이나 통마 키랑기 플레이 스토어 Android 말라 년제 추십디 같이 난고 디네 키랑기 추십 돌아 주디 렘나 보이나 가장 디세 파르동시 셔그레 파르동 디나야 와이스 오브 티베트 시베 가장 디 양난고 디네 키랑기 락도 카바강리아 와이스 오브 티베트 시베 년제 실리그레 딩안주 룽디 칸기 무시 년제디 마레 Kesi kirangya nganzu lungti kangi ngushi nyenche di go na mor sheba di kangya zugdi lemnang go. Dine kirangi lakdo kaba kangya waisu tibet shebe nyenche ni shargire. Shamla yube waisu tibet shebe nyenche serbu ti tola zugdi lemnang go. Dine kirangi install tengla zugdi lemnang di nyenche di kaba na nangju nang go. Di jelya kirangi open sheba ti tola zugdi lemnang di nyenche di kachi go. Dine kirangi lakdo kaba tengla nganzu pyoge dan gyage nigi sanju lirim senju nyenche di shargire. Kesi kirang nganzu niri pyoge ki sanju lirim senju na pyoge tola zugdi limgo.
Di Norway pyoge lungting ka yin, shi je pyomi yonki lana mebe uti zamling shi de tebe.
Yang kirang nganzu gyage ki niri sanju lirim senju na gyage tola zugdi limgo.
这里是挪威西藏之声广播电台华语节目，听众朋友，你们好。
나보주 노르웨이 벽이 룽지 칸기 니리 벽에 단 야게 니기 선주 레림카 태갈 센주 떡디 년지디 퍼블릭 넘버 토지치
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the phenomenon for the concert of the year, the one and only Parikrama!
Thought I'd risen from my slumber as I fathom the spell I'm under. Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Is it hurtful? Girl, that science close my eyes or it says surprise me. Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Is it hurtful? That science in no rhythm of my mind. Am I dreaming? Am I Am I dreaming? You know, I want to talk to you people for just a minute right now. Of course, I'll talk to you again if you want. I don't have a problem with that. They always say that the whole ocean is made up of one drop each, right? Every drop contributes and makes the ocean. And as long as every single person in this world gets up and says that I support free speech in Tibet, I think we'll make an ocean big enough for this whole planet to swim in peacefully. And as far as banned expressions go, I was told about the whole implication and what it's all about and everything, and I'll just tell you one thing. You can lock me up, you can ban what I do physically, but you cannot ban what I feel for my country, what I feel for my people, for my brothers and sisters, and what I want my country to be. You can't ban that. Never ever. So here's to the most beautiful dream that I have ever had in my life, a free Tibet. This is a song called Rhythm and Blues, and I want you guys to help me out with this one, all right? Play it all night long. Don't flow. Your rhythm don't flow. Your rhythm don't flow. Your rhythm don't play. Your rhythm only sounds like a one-night stand. I've been a while in the wind for a stroll. To my favorite blues bar, I met the redhead with the big guitar, and this Lord, I told him, baby, in the happy hour, you play the blues if you have the rhythm. Got one thing, you gotta play it all night long. Don't flow. Your rhythm don't flow. Your rhythm don't flow. Rhythm don't play. Rhythm only sounds like a one-night stand. All right, let's see if you can get this. Hey, 1, 2, 3, come on. Now, just because you're sitting at the back doesn't mean you can get away with not singing it at all right? I can still make out if you're singing it or not. Come on, guys, let's hear it a little louder. Okay, hear it again. Hey, hey, hey. 1, 2, 3, go. You guys start off so well and then suddenly towards the end goes. I had breakfast, I had lunch, but I didn't have dinner. You know, forget about food for the time being. Let's just do it loud. People all over these mountains should know what's going on tonight. Right here at the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts, right? All right. Hey, hey, hey. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, give it E. Shut up. Give me an E chord. All right, we're gonna do it for the last time now. Let's have everyone sing together. We're gonna do it for the last time. Let's be as loud as we can. Hey, 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 hey. 1, 2, 3, come on. Rhythm only sounds like a one-man band. Rhythm don't blow, rhythm don't ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Again. 1, 2, 3, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Last time. 1, 2, 3, go. I was asked to say something about this before, but I think I already said what came to my heart rather than what I was told to. Like I said, you can ban us physically from doing what you don't want us to do. You cannot ban our thoughts. You cannot ban our love for our country, for our brothers and for our sisters. You just cannot ban the soul of a human being. You can ban his body. You can cage him up, but never ever let his thoughts or ban his thoughts from flying wherever they want to, especially when they are kind, when they are right, and they're just, and they're all about what they really deserve, which is a free Tibet, right? crazy ride with only teenage wasteland. Johnny, take my hand without a man. Put out the fire and all about my shoulder. It's all this here. Happiness only you. Let's get together before we get much older. Teenage wasteland, teenage wasteland, teenage wasteland, yeah, 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 teenage wasteland, teenage
Thank you so much, Parikrama. All right, okay, so the next thanks goes to, from the Parikrama band, Sabir Malik as a keyboard player. So please, Sabir Malik, please come forward to the stage. And our executive director, T.C. Etchard, will deliver this gesture of thank you. Kata Bisring Somala. So this white scarf represents as a Tibetan gesture of thank you from the organizing team. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our Sabir Malik on keyboard player. Thank you so much. And yeah, Mr. Nitin Malik as a lead singer. Thank you so much. A big round of applause to Mr. Nitin Malik. Thank you. And now, on the lead guitar, we have Mr. Sonam Sherpa. Mr. Sonam Sherpa, please. Woo! Woo! Please accept this kind gesture of thank you. Woo! A big round of applause. And on the rhythm guitar, we have Mr. Saurabh Chaudhary. Mr. Saurabh Chaudhary, please. Thank you. A big round of applause, everyone. And then on the drum, we have Mr. Srijan Maharaj. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. And then on the bass, we have Mr. Gaurav Balini. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause, Mr. Gaurav. And And then on violin, we have Mr. Imran Khan. Shah Rukh Khan? Ladies and gentlemen, on the violin, Mr. Imran Khan. And then on the tabla, we have Mr. Subramaniam Bhattacharjee. Mr. Subramaniam, woo! Big round of applause. And then on sound, we have Mr. Nitin Sidhu. Mr. Nitin Sidhu, wherever you are.
He's supposed to be there on the sound somewhere, yeah. Now don't raise your hand from there because all of us are not going to come there. Move your ass, come up here. We're waiting for you. Yeah, it's very easy for you to, I mean, for the audience to actually see the band play and sound good and everything. But it's the guy who stands behind all of you with the mixer, with the lights and everything who makes all the magic happen. And for that, we'd really like to thank Mr. Nitin Sidhu, if he's not drunk enough already, to please come on stage. And then another person. Why didn't you announce him yourself? Okay, you announce him yourself.
All right, then on the management, we have Mr. Arjun Sharma. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. Arjun Sharma.
His actual name is Arjun Sharmila.
Really?
And when he's not touring with the band, he likes to clean ears. Or gets whipped cream rubbed on his face.
Once again, a big round of applause for Parikrama for performing this awareness concert entirely for free and for being a staunch Tibet supporter. A big round of applause for the one and only Parikrama. And then we would also like to request Mr. Buddhakyab and Taechung and Jayan Tashila and Ari Gyumela, please come on stage and receive this gesture of thank you. We have one more final act. Chola Taechungla. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Chola Taechungla, all the way from US. And then we have Jayan Tashila.
How many more people on the list?
One more, two more, and then the rest are all without the thank you.
All right, before he continues with the rest of the thank you to all the wonderful people who made this whole show possible, I'll just take 1 minute and from my own side and from my band side, no, I wouldn't like to call it my band, it's like our band. From our side, if paradise exists on earth, it's right here and right now. And for that, I'd like to thank all of you wonderful people. I don't know your names and I don't need to. All I know is you made it special and that'll stay with me for the rest of our lives. Thank you very much.
And I request Mr. Ari Gyumela, please come forward on the stage and receive our gesture of thank you. Ari Gyumela, Kawaina de Duna Perochi Dingzang, Dimena Budakyabla Perochi. And also I'd like to request one representative from TPA to please come and receive this gesture of thank you. Peshun Doga Sokwane Kuzabji Kuji Dingzanga Perochi. Woo! A big round of applause for the one and only Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts. And then also our thanks goes to our online partner, Tibet Online TV, Anto, for organizing this concert with us, and also Guglu Rana, and also to the owner of Green Hotel, Mr. Wangdula, and to all the volunteers and all the wonderful audience here with us today. Thank you once again. So now I would like to request the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts to perform this final act. And as you can see, some of you are holding your candles, and those of you who don't have your candles, please turn on your mobile phone torch and perform with us together. This is the final act. This is the finale. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you.
Yeah.